the word week to refer to a 7-day period of time. And this week, next week, last week. And this week, we are focusing on team building activities. The project is due next week, so we need to finish the work. And he went on vacation last week and returned yesterday to indicate a specific week in a larger context. And work week, school week, holiday week. And she completed her work week with a lot of tasks accomplished. The school week begins at 8 a.m. on Monday and ends at 3 p.m. on Friday. And then we spent the holiday week with family in the mountains to describe a week of the month or year. First week, second week, last week of the month. And the meeting will be held during the first week of the month. We'll review the progress in the second week of the project. The deadline is at the last week of the month, so we need to prepare to express the frequency or occurrence within a week, and once a week, twice a week, every week. And we go for a jog once a week to stay fit. And she visits her grandparents twice a week. And they have team meetings every week to discuss progress, to indicate a week as part of a larger schedule. Busy week, productive week, stressful week. It was a busy week, and we didn't have time to relax. And she had a productive week, finishing all her assignments. He felt exhausted after a stressful week at work.